How to schedule alarms for a future date in Clock app, or how you can set the alarm in future date from your Google Clock app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can schedule the alarms for a future date in your Clock app. So first of all, you have to go and open up your Play Store here. So you have to just open up your Play Store. You have to click on your account here, which is on the top right corner. And once you have clicked on your account, go for the manage app and devices. Once you have been click on your manage app and devices, you have to go and check the details here. Once you have checked the details, you have to update the all. You have to select the clock app from the there, and you have to update the clock app if there is any update available on your clock app. So if not, then you can simply go back. So you can schedule the alarm for a future date on your clock app. So once your app has been successfully updated, you have to open up your clock app here. Just open up your clock app. So on the bottom, you can see the varieties of option. You have to just go for the alarm option and click on the plus icon. Once you have clicked on the plus icon here, you can set your time and click on the OK. Just go and select your time here and click on the OK option, which is on the bottom, and you can select your preferred time here. Once you are done, you can schedule the alarm and click on the plus icon here. So here you can see that. Now you have to select the future date, month or year. Just go and select your future date, month or year here and go for the OK option here. So here you can see the alarm set for 127 days and you can select your preferred dates. So with the help of this simple step, you can simply schedule the alarms for future date in Google Clock app. So thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.